Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody fit and finds by the grace of Almighty. Now I am going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP formula in Excel sheet. I think this video is very important if you want to improve your Excel skill. Let's get started. First, how to use VLOOKUP formula. You can see to VLOOKUP, then lookup value. Lookup value, that means ID number, ID. Then comma, then table array, total table array, then comma, then column index number, that means name 1 2, number 2, then comma, then 0, then first bracket close. You see ID number 126, then have to lock all column and row. Then copy and paste. Need to change column index number to basic 3, 1 2 3. This is coming. Then again change column index number 1 2 3 4, gender 4. You see, if ID number I put this 1006, then automatic all data is coming. Then again I change 1013. Then Rahima, you see Rahima, ID number 1013, basic 2000, gender F. If I change ID number 1016, then all data is coming 1016. Rofik, name, then basic 1000 and gender male. Then again I change 1020, then 1020 Zakia, basic 7000, gender female. Thank you everyone.